Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and it is a non-zone cleaning day, so I thought I would do a little Valentine's Day decor for you. Stay tuned. So like I said, it is a non-zone cleaning day, so I am able to do some things like decorating or crafts, and so I am going to decorate the entryway, but I am just going to clean it up a little bit before I do that. And tomorrow I'll be working in zone 2, which is the entryway is part of that, so I won't have to clean that up tomorrow. So I'm just cleaning just a little bit, vacuuming, dusting, and a few other little things.
Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter.
If you're new to my channel and you're not familiar with my one and done zone cleaning routine, I will put a link down below to the playlist, and there is a free printable checklist if you want to check that out, also in the description.
We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't want to know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts.
Got an Amazon package. Shall I open it so you can see what I got? So I got some hair clippers for hubby. I do not know why I didn't buy those last year. He still doesn't want to go to the barber, so I need to cut his hair. And I bought myself a Be Kind shirt because I wanted something for Valentine's Day. But lo and behold, the weather cooled off and I was able to wear my long sleeve Valentine's shirt from last year that I never got to wear. And the other day I got this in the mail from Amazon. It is 5 macrame plant hangers, and it's a really good deal. I believe they were only $24.99. I've seen them at Marshall's for $14.99 a piece. So I thought that was a really good deal. I will put the link down below, and I'm going to be hanging some plants around the house, and one of the hangers I will be hanging here in the entryway here in a minute, and I'll show you that. Picked up the little white pots. I believe they were $9.99 a piece, and the cactus that I also got those both from Home Depot. I think that staying home, working from home is agreeing with hubby because he has been decluttering, and when he did that, we found my dad's old projector and camera, and then I remembered I had this antique typewriter. I actually think it belonged to hubby's mom. So I decided I was going to display that here, and that other camera, hubby said he picked that up from a thrift shop one time. And I decided I would display it here in the entryway, and I will be adding things little by little. And yeah, it's a work in progress. The distress shelf that you see above the entryway table is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the chalk sign above it. If they still have that at Hobby Lobby, I will link it down below. These are a pair of antique binoculars, or vintage binoculars, that belong to hubby's father. I believe he got them overseas when he was in the Navy many, many years ago. His father has since passed, so it's kind of a nice little keepsake. And I have this little journal here that I have plans for, but not in this video. I will be doing that later this year. If I can get it in February, I will do that, but we shall see. And in this little jar, I have some little notes. There's some activities in there that we were supposed to do at Christmas time. Actually, Christmas time last year, that didn't happen. We're supposed to just put our hand in the jar and pull out an activity as we go. And yeah, that didn't happen. I picked up this heart garland from Walmart, actually in the wedding section. Yeah, they didn't have any decor at Walmart this year. So on a previous day, I was feeling crafty, so I decided to make one of those rag wreaths, like shabby chic looking. So I went to Walmart and picked up some material, and I'm using this heart vine wreath that my sister made, seriously, like 20 years ago, and I haven't been using it lately for Christmas, so I decided to make a Valentine's wreath out of it. You just tear the material and then you tie it on the wreath, and I don't think I was doing it correctly, but does it really matter? I'm not really sure there's a correct way to do it. I don't follow directions. I just winged it. I looked up a few things, saw a few things on Pinterest, and I'm like, I'm just gonna do it my way. And I think it came out pretty good, so I just keep adding more material until it looks how I want it to. I actually posted a part of this on Instagram, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, if you want some additional content from me, you can follow me on Instagram at MyEveryDayWifeLife. I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm usually on Instagram, so you might want to go over there and check it out. Okay, I've been trying to use up my scrapbooking paper before I went out and bought more. So I found this vintage paper in my stash and I decided to make a heart garland out of it. And I'm going to hang it up here, but first I realized I need to do this chalk sign. And I am going to show you that. A lock of gold, a secret smile. So I printed out something off of Pinterest as an inspiration. This is actually a song that my mom and dad used to sing all the time. I love you, a bushel and a peck. So it reminds me of her. Her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. Okay, that's it for my Valentine's decor for now. I don't know about you, but it takes me a while to get it to where I want it, what I want it to look like. So I like layer it. Like this is the bulk of it, but then I'm like, later I'm like, oh, I want to add this, I want to add that and change that. So this is what I got. If I do anything drastically different, I will update you. And actually, I'm trying to do a home tour. I promised y'all I would do a home tour. So if I do a home tour before the end of February, I'll show you what I did. Or on Instagram, that's where I might go ahead and do that. So, so this is what that was supposed to look like. And that is how it turned out. It's fine. And the hearts are covering it a little bit, but that's okay. So, and I couldn't do the hug around the neck part, so that's what I got. I think when you pull back, I mean, I see my mistakes, but it didn't need to be exactly like that. But when you pull back, when you're doing a chalk sign, it looks great. I don't know, I think it's fun. Obviously, I'm not as creative, and I don't know. My arm was hurting me. So I hung that up, and this is what it looks like. And then This is not completed. I want to add some pictures down here at the bottom. That's an antique picture from my hubby's family. I don't know who it is exactly. So I want to put a picture of my mom and dad down there. There's one that I really like of them and from the 50s when they got married on their honeymoon that I want to put there, and some other things. And so, yeah, it's not finished, and I want to go ahead and do something with this. I bought this forever ago, and I want to go ahead and put pictures of hubby and I in there, just random pictures. Now, I need to go through all of my photos and whatnot this summer, but you know what? You can't go back. You can only move forward. So I have to do something with, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I can't go back and make all the photo albums that I didn't get to. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm just going to, when I find a random picture, I'm going to stick it in there, and it won't be in chronological order. But it will be my favorite pictures of hubby and I, and I'll just stick it in there, and I might like write a little something from that memory, and yeah, and then fill that up. And I also bought one of these for my son too. I want to do the same thing, because you know, to go back and do like year 1, year 2, that ain't happening. I have some stuff, but not a lot. And obviously I have my wedding album. I might take some of that stuff out and put it in there and be smaller and take up less room. And then over here is picture. This is hubby and I for prom. This is my sister who passed away 3 years ago, and her husband. And then I have one of Amy, the littlest mom, and her husband. But I need one of my sister and of my other 2 nephews and my mom and dad. And I just need to search for them, put them. And I want to paint these rose gold. I got this in the wedding section at Walmart. When I went to Walmart to look for some decor, not that I wanted a bunch, I just wanted something like that. So that was perfect, really. They didn't have anything. They had a plethora of stuffed animals, candies, and cards. I mean aisles and aisles, I'm sure y'all have been, of stuffed animals. It was ridiculous. And I want to say pillows, but maybe not. I don't know what else was in there. I'm like, oh my God, this is ridiculous. And candy and cards. There was hardly any Valentine decor. And so I'll put a link down below to anything that I can link, find the links for. Like, especially the macrame, that was a really good deal. It was $24.99 for a set of 5. When I went to Marshall's, they had that. It was like $14.99 just for 1. So you get 5. I'm going to put the other ones, I think, in my family room. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, that's it. And I got to wear my Valentine's shirt. It has been hot for the last 3 days, like 80-something degrees, 82 degrees, and had to put my shorts on. And it turned cold today, so I got to wear this. I bought this last year, and I never got to wear it because we had a really warm winter. So if I can link it below, I will, but I don't know if they have it anymore. It's off of Amazon from clothing called Woman Within. Anyway, so I don't know if they still have it, and I'm happy that it fits me because it's actually a size smaller than I've been wearing. So there we go. Okay, guys, until next time. Enjoy your day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. All you have to do is click on my face right there and follow me on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and my Amazon shop at MyEveryDayWifeLife. The links to all those will be in the description below.